think about what he did. How many people are dead because of him?
Last chance.
I'm not giving up, my friend.
Oh my God, to-torturein niya si Nora. Why do I have to press it? Bakit ako? Bakit ako? Bakit may X dyan sa gilid? Oh my God. Ay! Hindi ko kaya yun, pre. I'm not a Oh my God, nanginginig na si Ellie.
It's me. Holly. Are you okay?
Christ. Is that your blood?
She's hiding out in this aquarium.
Pre, nanginginig siya.
Okay,
Oh my God.
come on. Let's get you cleaned up. Arms up.
Oh my. Oh my godness.
I made her talk.
Nagigilty na siya. Nagigilty si Ellie. Pre, nagigilty si Ellie, pre.
It's okay. I don't want to lose you.
Oh my. May pip! Grabe naman yung timing ng busina na yun, pre. Oh. Flashback! Wait, bata pa si Ellie. Mag-isa lang si Ellie. Ay, hindi! Ito yung hospital! Ito yung hospital! Ito yung Fireflies! Oh, malalaman nga ni Ellie! Malalaman ni Ellie to! Ito yung sa part 1. Ito yung sinave na ni Joel si Ellie nung pass out siya. See? Ito yun, no? Dito yun, no? Operation room.
control. They said, even if we found her, or by some miracle found someone else that's immune, it made no difference. Because the only person who could develop a vaccine is dead. Or by some miracle found someone else that's immune, it made no difference.
Hi, Riza.
That's immune.
Bye.
Because the only person...
Oh my god. Joel! Nandito ko na naman!
Come here. What the hell are you thinking? Running off in the middle of the night like that. You talk to me. You don't just leave me a goddamn note.
Oh my god, nalaman niya nga na...
Tell me what happened here. If you lie to me one more time, I'm gone. You will never see me again. But if you tell me the truth, I'll go back to Jackson. No matter what it is. Just say it. Joel.
Making a vaccine. Would have killed you. So I stopped them.
Oh my God. Don't you fucking touch me! I'll go back. But we're done.
Nasasaktan na ako. Nasasaktan na ako sa larong to. Pre. Masakit na ah.
Dina? Jesse?
Wait, wala sila Dina saka
The
Jessie.
more the merrier. Hey, look, Joel. It's your favorite.
Pre, kakasimula pa lang. Sinasaktan na agad ako ni Ellie. Pre, ba't mo kinakausap si Joel? Nakita mo yung favorite movie ni Joel? Eto. Masakit ha, Ellie ha.
Dina? Jesse? Where are those two?
Nasaan ba yung dalawa na yun? Gitara. Ay, hindi. Hindi naman ako marunong yan. Wag na. Binabantayan niya si Dina. Nagbengbangan? Oo, nagbengbangan sila, Dok. Buntis nga si Dina eh.
She had a rough night. Barely could get
Nakala
out the
ate,
car again.
nakala Jelly.
Siya,
Si
okay na yan.
Kendrick.
Is she pregnant?
Yeah?
I get why you came out here. But we gotta take her back. She needs real care and she's not gonna get that.
Yeah, I know. I know. But I can't just leave Tommy. He's out here because of me. Maybe you could
Uy,
take
hindi ah. Anong casual?
She's not gonna leave without you.
Yeah.
Screw it. Let's get Tommy. This
What
aquarium
the?
that I told you about.
Rapu?
Tommy hasn't found Abby yet. We'll post up there until he does.
You're good with leaving Dina by herself?
Her orders.
Okay. Let's go tell her we're leaving then.
I'll just meet you up front.
Yeah. Hi. Hey, babe.
Uy, babe. Babe pala ang tawagan nila.
For us. Okay.
Let's do it. The
Well,
map showed the aquarium along the shore. Should be down this way.
Yeah. How does
Big
anyone stay
theater.
dry in this city? Okay, go for it.
yay, may kasama na uli ako. Kasama ko si Jessie.
Okay.
Thanks.
What did you tell Dina?
That we're hoping to find Tommy at the aquarium. I didn't
Lot.
tell her you knew. If that's what you're...
I wasn't.
Kabara po ako nga inosente sa
Is this
atin.
aquarium a wolf base?
I don't think so. Nora said Abby's hiding out there.
You get her to tell you why they did it?
Yeah. Joel had falling out with some fireflies. Now, former fireflies.
What kind of falling out?
He was a smuggler, and they disagreed about some goods. Fight broke out, some of them died.
Oh.
Guess they wanted payback.
Damn.
Ayun lang yung reason.
Change anything for you?
Nope.
I need to get clear on something. When we find Tommy, you're good with going home.
Yeah,
You'll be leaving some of those assholes alive.
Dina should be back in Jackson.
Okay. Good.
Okay. Well, Rapo, tigilan mo ako, Rapo. Ako, mabait ako, Rapo.
Shit. Locked.
Think we can cut through that convention center?
Let's try it.
Okay, pahingin loot. Wait, may bala ba ako? Yeah, madami akong bala. That is very
I see a
nice.
light through here.
Jammed?
Yeah.
Cool. Wala nga akong alam sa mga ano-anong ganyan. Ay, nako. I'm so innocent.
You ever worried they're gonna come back to Jackson after us?
Teka lang, Jesse, ah. Nagdulot ako eh.
What do you mean?
I mean, we're going through a lot of their people. In their city.
Because of what they did.
Didn't Abby and her friends come to Jackson because of something Joel did?
This place isn't like Jackson. I mean, Joel and Tommy helped Abby when she got attacked. These people are trying to kill everyone around them. I mean, they shot you on sight, didn't they?
Yeah. They did.
Wala nang loot. Boss.
Hey, give me a hand.
Through here. I just gotta ask. Why didn't she tell me about it? The pregnancy.
Listen, I'm sure she'll tell you about it when she...
Up.
Who did you hear it from?
Make sure this area is clear, wait for the other unit.
Okay, lagay ko na ulit sa silencer.
Last time...
It won't be like that.
Plan to.
I'm nervous.
We're all
Damn, we're close to cover. They're gonna shoot us out of the goddamn water.
Hey, have faith.
Ang dami nito.
You sound like them.
Don't act like there's a choice, man. Think of what'll happen if we succeed.
Uy, Jesse, kita ka dyan.
Pretty clean.
The trespassing!
Get the fuck off of him!
Easy, easy.
Oh my god, tumutok pa late.
Please don't.
There you go. Wala namang ginawa si Jesse, pre. Tumulong ka naman, Jesse. Tik. Oh my god, my aim is not aiming. Oh my... My aim is not aiming, bro.
Let him go. Bad idea.
Bala ka, magpo-poker muna. Sugarela talaga to eh. Sugal-sugal. Batak magsugal eh.
There you are!
Patay mo yan, Jesse!
Find you!
Ayun, Jesse oh.
Now where'd you go?
Okay, nagets ko na kung paano mag-aim sa controller, which is very nice. Kasi,
That'll do it. These wolves,
sugal-sugal.
so trigger happy.
They're at war with
Mahilig ka
this
sa sugal
fucked up
ah,
cult.
kaya pala gusto mo yung stream ng pass mo ah.
Seraphons or something. Seraphites.
Scars is all I've heard them called.
Pagka nag-controller
You
ka,
run into any?
dapat take
No.
time.
You're
Ita-take
lucky.
time mo yung aim mo. Hindi yung basta barrel lang. Okay, now what? Pagkahalata ang addict. Kung hindi addict, umiinom. Addict naman sa suga. Ang daming bala ng sniper. Sana pala nag-snipe na lang ako. Rapo, anong oras kayo matutulog? Rapo. What time kayo sleep, guys? Gusto nyong i-marathon ko to? Parang gusto ko i-marathon eh, tas hindi na ako mag-i-stream bukas. Marathon, tas hindi na i-stream bukas. Payag kayo? Sino ba yung mga ano dito? Yung mga nag-aantay neto, sila Nescafe, okay lang kaya kala Nescafe. Sila
What's up with all
CJ
these
tulog na eh.
posters?
Ako kaya ko i-marathon to legit.
Wait, what was happening here?
Gathering for people who are really into this stuff. Like you, basically.
We were born in the wrong time, man.
Hindi pagka na ano pa ako, nahila pa ako ng story. Pero kunwari may nangyari na naman, tas na-drain ako. Sige na, GG's na yun. Alam nyo chat, si Nescafe talaga may kasalanan kung bakit nilalaro ko pa to eh. Kasi 'di ba? Sabi ko ayoko na laruin. Pero sinabi ko kay Nescafe na kahit anong mangyayari, itutuloy ko pa din siya.
What were you saying?
Ako rin.
About Dean.
Sige lang.
You said she'll tell me when...
Pero, kung aabutin
things
ako
are-
ng matagal, wala nang
What's up
stream
here?
bukas. Okay lang sa inyo.
I guess at some point it'll get pretty hard to hide it. Do you know she's gonna keep it?
I don't.
Wala. Pero maganda naman. I mean, worth it naman yung ini-spend kong oras. Kahit masama yung loob ko na namatay si Joel.
Look at this mess.
The aquarium. It's right next to that Ferris wheel.
He's hoping Tommy has the same info.
So, saan? Magsi-swimming tayo?
Looks like we're swimming.
Okay, swimming. Di nabuntis. Naiwan. Tara. Kaya, I need you here, bro.
Okay. Where now?
Working on it.
Dito ulit, swimming. Ito ba daan? Ba't may daanan dito? Wait, hindi. Truck na tumba lang pala to.
Think you can get through there?
Let's see.
Hindi ba ang unconfi neto, like, naglalakad kang basa lagi?
I would have come, you know, if you told me you were leaving.
I didn't think you'd be okay with all this.
I looked up to Joel. What happened to him was messed up. I would have come.
Joel liked you a lot too, you know. He used to think I had a crush on you.
Really?
Pre, Joel na naman usapan nila.
You're handsome and whatever, but I'm not into your type.
What, Asians?
Asians.
That's obviously what I meant.
Paulit-ulit naman si Joel, pre.
Putting fungus in the kids section.
Mushrooms didn't exactly carry the same meaning back then.
Yeah, I guess. Do you have a favorite book as a kid?
Maglakad ng basa,
Battle
diba?
ghosts.
Kids used to
About
think
these space marines who fight off
Ghosts.
these were cute.
alien ghosts.
Sound like trouble you'd like.
Medkit, anong pwede kong craft ng bote? I cannot craft.
Yeah, we'll check.
Oh my god, alcohol ba yun? Finally. Okay, pwede kong kunin yung... Eh, hindi. Bote pala yun nandun sa taas. Wait. Dapat pala silencer yung pinrap ko. May checkpoint ba? Oh, god, sayang. Okay, what now? Saan tayo dadaan, Jessie? Here? Malas? Huwag ka lang magsugal. Masama yun. Saka maniwala ka kasi. Ba naman kasi,
Jesus.
ayaw mo
What
maniwala
happened
eh.
up here? These guys really have it in for each other.
I think it goes back years.
Wonder how it all started.
Nag-fold ka, 3 of a kind. Saan ka nagpo-poker? Nagpo-poker. Oh no. Uy, nilapa ng aso.
Got him! Sweep the area for survivors. Good job, boy.
Bravo needs to get here. I'm ready to do this.
Sounds pretty bad. I'm sure it ain't easy driving the boat back here.
I want to be the first one on that fucking...
Sa phone, alin ba yan yung Saga Poker? Eto look. Huwag yan, pre. Sorry, doggo. I'm so sorry, doggo. Has to happen. I'm very sorry, doggo. Saan yun? Si Jessie ba yun? Ang i-sniper? Thick, bro. I dare you. Thick, pre. I swear. Paglabas mo dito, tanggal ulo mo. Silip. Ayaw.
I don't see them! Find where they're hiding!
Patay to kay Jesse, pre. Patayin mo yan, Jesse. Meron pa sa taas ko, di ba?
Over here! Move it!
Ang dami pala neto. Okay, lock in muna. Uy, umiiwas yun ah. Hindi ko kaya makipag-duel pagka ganon. Uy, bumaba. Skill issue.
Think that was the last one.
Yeah,
Hi, Laya.
This place makes me appreciate Jackson, man.
me too.
Okay, wala na akong bullets. Just woke up. Hello? Gising pa ba kayo? Gising check! Mga gising check. Tulog na ba kayo? Pwede ko bang like takasan na lang yung mga ganon? Like hindi ko na sila labanan. Pwede ba yun? Pwede ba yun? Like takbuhan ko na lang yung mga ganon. Or gising pa. Or kailangan ko talagang patayin. Something like that. Ay, workbench. Wala akong pwedeng i-upgrade. Wow. I have nothing, man. Can I craft na? I cannot. I cannot. Bakit trap? Sa pagtakas. Ganun talaga, kailangan natin takasan. Dito. Kasi nauubos lang yung resources natin eh pagka G ng G eh.
think Abby picked the aquarium on purpose because it's so damn hard to
Paano kanyari?
Maybe.
Guys, I think na-DC si Rapu.
Jesus. How the hell are we crossing this?
We could use that road. It's pretty fucking far.
Or we use that.
Yeah.
Nanakaw sila bangka.
Come on. This way.
Let's try through here.
So what's the plan? We take these guys out and steal their boat?
Definitely taking their boat. It's up to them if they want to get in our way.
Hopefully it's a small crew.
Place is wrecked.
You don't say.
Lang loot? Puro bote naman, di ko kailangan yung bote, pre.
Got it. Come on.
This way. Come on.
Hey, diver. Hindi ba sila natatakot like mag-dive ng ganto? Paano pagka wala silang air pocket, di ba? Ano ba nangyari? Rapo.
I repeat, sniper sighted at the marina. Likely a trespasser. Any nearby units report. Over.
Shit. You four, take the land bridge to the marina. The rest of you, hold here and wait for orders.
Fuck. We're supposed to wait here while our guys are being sniped?
We have our orders. We'll have more than enough people to take care of one sniper.
Ilisa mo, Jessie. Ako din. Nakit ako. Sana si Leyna lang, what?
Ellie. We can get to the marina through here.
No, we're taking their boat.
You heard them, right? They're talking about Tommy.
We don't know that.
Who else is it gonna be?
If it is him, he'll be gone by the time we get there. Abby is where he'll be headed, so if we just
What if
follow,
he's in trouble?
he can take care of himself.
Jesus Christ.
The best way to help Tommy is to go after Abby. You do this, I'm not saving your ass again.
Pre, ang desperado ni ang desperado ni Ellie.
I really hope you make it.
Bro, wala na naman akong kasama. Ang desperado ni Pre, hindi ba mas better na pumunta na lang kay Tommy than going kay Abby? Sa tingin nyo, chat? Para sa akin, ang nonsense eh. Like, ang gusto ni Ellie is revenge lang.
Copy, Gamma. We'll pass you through.
Kay Abby.
Where's the truck?
Kamay-ingay. Narinig ba ako? Yeah, they hurt. Dito ako. Dolphin na ako, hindi na ako etalub. Isa akong dolphin. Dolphin.
Now what?
Kailangan ko ng pang silencer, pre. Uy. Swap weapon. Hello? Di umabot! 15 hours ako kay Joel. Magpi 15 hours na din ako kay Ellie. Oh my God!
Heads up!
Ba't may mga pipe bomb na naman kayo, kuya ko?
Chico. Tractor's down.
Shit. That her? I'll go check it out.
We might have her.
Okay, dolphin. Dolphin mode. Ito tilapia, oh. May tilapia dito, pre.
Found her! Right in here!
Ang dami sa taas. Like legit. Hindi ko alam sino unahin ko.
Lost her.
How'd she get away?
Hindi headshot yun. Wala kayong bala? Hello? Can you give me bala, bro? Wala silang bala, pre.
Anyone got a visual on her? Where the fuck is she? No one around. How about you? Water! Right in there!
Marathon ko. Gusto niya i-marathon? Ima-marathon ko talaga ngayon to. Desperado ako kung anong mangyayari. May bala pa ba ako yung sniper? Wala na. Ayun lang ba yung daanan ko paakyat? Wala nang iba? Yeah, pagod ako pero tinta lang ako para tuloy-tuloy na. Eh, nawalan ako ng internet. Yari talaga. Imagine, nawalan ako ng internet. Tapos nilaro ko ng record to. Ay, kawawa kayo.
Right over here!
Oy, hindi ako yun. Hindi ako yun, pre.
Wiper out!
Ilan kayo? Damputin ko isa sa inyo. Teka, lalapit ka pa dito. Oh, walang daanan dyan. Ah.
Shit.
Got her!
Oh, fuck! Here, here!
OMG, guys. I'm doing better with controller na. Oh my... Chat, gumagaling ako sa controller. I'm so proud. Oh,
She's trapped!
isa ka bang baliw para mag-push dito?
Got her! Right over here!
Never mind.
Alright.
Nice try!
Tutulugan na kita. Attend pa ako anime con mamaya. Wag! Kaya mo yan kahit walang tulog. Ako nga pumunta ng Cosmatsu alas 2 ng madaling araw. Wag. Wag. Don't do that. Oo nga, pumunta ako Cosmatsu.
Fucker.
Wala na, ayun na yung last.
Right. Boat.
Bigayan ng card namin sa Monday. Wag! Card lang yan. Ito, The Last of Us. Ding! Wang! Hey! I are the pirate. Horror show. Bangga. Mababangga ako dito mamaya. Tingnan mo.
Okay. No one's following. Right. Where's the Ferris wheel?
Paano ko kayo maintindihan? Babae kayo parehas. Nagkakaintindihan kayo kasi babae kayo parehas. Pwede ako dumaan dito. Mali mo yun.
Please go through. Now what?
Kasya yan! Hindi kasya? Wala, ang babaw lang pala nun. Lo, tingin nyo kung gaano kababaw. Paano nakapagbangka dito? Ganyan kababaw. Ano lang oh, hanggang tuhod lang oh. Hanggang tuhod lang nakakapagbangka pa.
Here we go.
Alam nyo ba't kayo nagkakaintindihan? Kasi parehas din kayong bading. Hindi, joke lang. Joke lang. Ala,
Kidding me?
nasira yung...
Come on. Got it.
Dito na ako daan, pre. Ikaw nga pinagpalit ng ex mo sa EA. Oh no, there's people. Sige, away lang kayo dyan ha. Padaan ako ha. Oy, hindi ako kasama dyan ha. Padaan lang, padaan. Thank you. Padaan po. Thank you. Nag-aaway sila doon, ako daan lang ako. Okay. Hoy, naglalag yung PC ko, pre.
What? Of course. Would've been too easy.
Oh my goodness. Mababaw na naman.
Okay.
Screenshot ka sa akin.
How am I supposed to get that shit out of the chain?
Ay, paano ko aakyat dun? Parang aso kulol. Ayun. Uy. Wala na naman ako ma-upgrade. Wow. Nice. Wala akong pang-upgrade. Ito, fire rate na lang neto. Nye. Okay. I go here now. Hala, bag yung pinto. Ba't ganyan yung itsura ng pinto? Pwedeng dumaan. Saan ako dadaan, pre? Around here? But I'm actually lost.
God damn.
Daming patay dito. Oh my! Look at this! Ba't yan ang bibig mo, ate ko? What happened? Wala, sira ulo tong pinto na to kanina. Ano to ah? Kawawa naman yung bibig ni ate. Ganun yung bibig niya. Whoop! Don't tell me may bloater pa dito. Ayun nang... Kakasabi ko nga ni... Kakasabi ko nga lang nga ni...
Got you, asshole!
Oh my god, sayang yung dalawa kong molotov dun. Pre.
Shit.
Sa kabalan ng shotgun, pre.
Back to that damn Ferris wheel.
Holy moly. Saan ako aakyat? Ba't naman kasi ganun? Bigla-bigla naman, ate ko. Saan ako aakyat? Ah, eto. Ay, hindi, dito ako nahulog eh. I'm lost. Ah, eto. Nye. Nagising na naman si Pogi. Wait, anong gusto niyo i-upgrade, chat? What do you guys want to upgrade? Is it stealth or crap improve health kits? Durability ng silencers, I guess. Durability ng silencers will be so nice. Then this one. Where am I at?
Finally. There.
Bading. I'm not bading, bro.
Okay.
Oh! Game. Bagyuhan, pre. Bagyo, game. Bug. Sabog yung PC ko, pre, sa water mechanics ng game. Oh my god, pre. Kinakaya ng PC ko to, apaka-realistic. Sige, ipilit mo, Ellie. Sige, patayin mo yung sarili mo. Sige. Patayin mo yung sarili mo. Sige, magbangka ka dyan. Naalala mo na naman si Chloe. Ano ba yan? Sa lahat na maaalala mo, si Chloe pa. Bagyo kasi. Diyos ko. Sige, Ellie. Lokohin mo yung sarili mo. Ayan na nga, oh. Ayan na, Ellie. Ayan na, Ellie. Ayan na nga, Ellie. Oh my. Sabi ko na nga ba? Ako'y na lang.
I can make it.
Ay, nako po, Ellie ka. Ayan na nga po. No, pre. Go, Ellie. Sige, Ellie. Patayin mo yon sarili mo.
Let's do this.
Pati si Ellie. Girl with the blue hair. Kawawa naman. Andito na ako, Abby. Andito si Abby, guys. Andito na. Ending na to. Ending na.
Okay.
Mapapatay na natin si Abby, guys. Andito na si Abby, guys.
Damn it.
Abby is here, guys. Ito na ako, Abigail. You call Yuna, Rapu. Where Yuna? Where Yuna, Rapu? You know where Yuna? You call Yuna. Panoorin mo sa YT. Ba't mo papanoorin sa YT? Papay-spoil ka sa YT. Wag! Gara nyo naman eh. Nagpapay-spoil kayo eh. Parang nga sabay-sabay natin malalaman eh. Nakakainis kayo. Nagpapay-spoil kayo. You call Yuna. Because I will kill Abigail. She want to see kill Abigail, bro. Where I go? I'm lost. Where I go? Where I go, bro? Here? Patapos na? Oo, feel ko. Feel ko patapos na. Kasi, ano eh, tawag doon, mapapatay niya na si Abby.
What is all this stuff?
Kadiri oh. Yeah! I kill Abigail. Dum-dum. Abigail, bro. Is this ending? Wala akong tape. Malapit ka na kay Anes. Oo nga, papatayin ko na si Abby.
Where the fuck are you?
I will kill Abigail, bro. Saan na yun?
Shit.
Saan na nga ba si Abby? Parang maganda yung marathon. What do you mean? Uy. Don't do that, bro. Ah! Magbukas ka! Ayaw magbukas, pre. Oh! dog, dog. Oh my God. Ah, okay. New game siya. What is this, bro? May in-infectionan dito.
Fuck happened here?
Hello? Should I craft stun? Smoke. Pre, there's something here, ah. They operate, ah. Oh, ito yung mga sleeping bags nila, oh. Oh, si Owen nandito.
Owen. Really?
Sa Game Awards channel, kaya pala pa... Ah, okay. Promotion. I mean, nakakuha naman kayo ng badge, so... Akala ko mema lang. Mema badge lang. Tao po. Uy.
People don't come back from that island.
How many times has Abby risked her life for you?
She chose this. I'm not fucking going there.
Then don't! Go back.
Fuck you, Owen.
Hands up. Where's Abby?
You're that girl from Jackson.
Tell me where she went.
How do we know you won't kill us?
Give her what she wants and we're dead.
You guys can survive this. I just need her.
Bullshit.
You. Come here.
Fucking get over here!
Point to where she is on this map. And then you.
Wait lang, Paps.
Fucking match up.
DM ko sa'yo.
What are you doing?
She's probably dead anyway.
It is not worth it.
Stop!
We can talk
Back
about
the fuck up!
Point to where she is.
DM ko sa'yo sa Discord, Paps.
Fucking run!
Oh my... Oh my... Ah...
Tell me where Abby is.
Where the fuck is she?
Buntis! Oh my God, si Tommy!
Whoa, 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 whoa! Hey! Hey!
Pre!
It's all right.
Pumatay ng buntis si
Let's
Ellie!
go. Let's go. It's all right.
Naiwan yung map! Naiwan yung map! No way! Oh no! Oh no! Yung... Oh no! no. Hindi nila nakita si Abby, hindi pa ending. Ang tagal naman mapatay si Abby, pre. Hello? Oh, ano, iiwan mo agad si Dina after that happens? Hello? Hindi ba magbebe time muna kayo? Kausapin mo sila Tommy, sila Jessie? Well,
It's not gonna work. It's completely covered in snow.
Nah, by the time we get there, this whole area will be thawed. Where are you going?
Needed some air. What are you guys doing up?
Couldn't sleep.
Come take a look at this.
Thought is to head home via Ellensburg.
If we're in Falls City by tomorrow, we're doing good. Hey. They got what they deserved.
But she gets to live.
Yeah. Is that okay?
It has to be.
I'm really not looking forward to going through Idaho again.
What you should be worried about is what Maria's gonna do to you when we get home.
We've been through worse. However, as I was passing through some ritzy section of town, I come across this necklace. It sparkles a lot. I think it's real gold.
You think it's real gold?
It's real gold.
Let's see it.
I know what gold looks like.
If it's legit, can we say it's from all of us?
Ha! You find your own damn bribes.
How you doing?
Fine.
Ellie?
Fine. Thanks for coming back for me.
My friend's problems are my problems.
You're such a sap.
All right, how about, my friends can't get out of their own damn way?
It's better.
Shit!
Oh!
Jesse! Stand up! Hands in the air, I shoot this one too.
Abby!
Dude, Ellie. Get out of here.
Stand up! Now!
Don't you fucking dare!
Shut the fuck up! Fuck. All right. Stop! Stop! Toss your weapon. Toss your weapon! Fuck.
No.
I know why you killed Joel. He did what he did to save me. There is no cure because of me. I am the one that you want. Just let him go. You killed my friends. We let you both live. And you wasted it.